What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and you can see that I'm bringing up the portfolio. This is today. If we look over the week, that's that. Over the month, I'm probably overall down, but you can see I'm coming back up. I'm actually up on the month, actually. Interesting. So you can see I'm making a return back up since I was down to 9266, and that was at June 9th. That was my lowest point on this account. um, Today I only had one trade, so I had one sell side trade on the Nasdaq, actually the US 30 or the Dow Jones 30. So, and this is, I can actually drop a little hint if somebody's watching or paying that much attention. It was actually focusing a little more on ICT kill zones, so that's actually the times when you typically see some influential movement in the market or a directional movement in the market. So this one was at 10 a.m. Actually targeted 10 a.m. So you can see my entry was at 10. Actually for closed a partial on it. So in total it was at 0.09. I took some profits off the table, 66, and my max risk was about 30. Yeah, my max risk was 30. And you'll see all of that here because I have the same stop loss as I did before, which is somewhere up here. It's at 3947. So a little bit above this zone. If I was wrong, I would have taken a loss of 30. But you can see I'm floating $44 profits here. And I also took 66 off the table. So if it returns against me, I basically made out on the trade over. So let's get into it. You can see I made no other trade today. That was the only one. Since that one was a clean setup, I just decided it's best to just stop. And I have something running, so there's no need to kind of force it, especially when it's not the time to be trading. Like you're past that ICT kill zone. Probably 2 p.m. you can look for a trade, but I haven't seen much. How do you say much potential when it comes to those times? So this one was where I took profits, and then this is where I have my stop loss, and you can see from this where I am in the trade now compared to my risk. So I basically took, this is saying a three, this is saying a 3 to 1, but this is accurate when it comes to where my stop loss is and where I took profit. So this is saying a little bit more than a 3 to 1, but that doesn't really match the amount I was risking. I'm not sure why. And I find it funny that when I take a partial, how am I still risking the same amount, even though, yeah, something is definitely not right about that. And I'm gonna have to reach out to support about that to see, because something is not right. Um, but this is basically where I closed out the trade or took partials on the trade for a total profit of 66. And this is where my max risk is for a 30 loss. But I think it should be about a 15, right? That's basically it. $44 running, same stop loss, same entry. But my risk should go down. I think I genuinely believe that. So let's get into this watch list now. I think Bitcoin actually had a good day. Okay, it started breaking yesterday. Started breaking to the upside yesterday. So we're currently at, let's go to daily when I'm doing this. Let's mark out yesterday's price. So that was 62818. We can see it spiked up a bit there. Spiked up past 63,000. Interestingly, huh? This next one is Tesla. I think Tesla is above 200 now, probably. Wow, Tesla, that's how you moving? Damn. 209. Tesla is moving crazy right now. IMMR having a little sell off. We're at 9.46 now on IMMR. Bit farms, I would expect a little bullishness similar to the rest of the market. Nothing really, but still a little higher than yesterday. Nvidia, I think Nvidia is at 140 now. Oh no, we're at 124. It's possible we can be looking for buys here in Nvidia. AMD, we have AMD at 157. So not much movement on AMD still. SMCI, a little bullishness with the market. Nope. At 812. These can flip over quickly. And it's actually having some, this is kind of bullish to me. This is something where I would look for the market to go higher after this. This is ASML 1033. And this is something where if you're paying attention to the market, you kind of have a feel for what the price of something should be from your head because they are talked about that much and because you're looking at the charts that much. This one is Eli Lilly. Wow, Eli Lilly looks very bullish. And this is the daily. Like, look at the daily. It's like, wow. Look at the daily on Eli Lilly. This is something. This is definitely something. TLT, I'm hearing they have been having a sell-off. People are relating it to Trump. So if bonds are bearish, then I think that's bullish for the market. Wow. Yeah. 89.9. Very interesting. They had such a big sell-off. I'll just write that as part of the narrative. So bonds selling, claims of Trump relation, Tesla up, Bitcoin up. Who else is up? Eli Lilly up slightly. Nvidia, rest of stocks look like poised for bounce. That's what I would say is going on today, and we look for tomorrow. So I heard something from a trader, and they actually explained that their belief is that the market typically makes its high or its low within the first few days in terms of Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It makes it higher, it's low. So if it makes it low, then you can probably look for it to break higher, or it can, or that can be as low as it's going to go for the week. Or inversely, you can also see it go higher from the top, or no, go. I'm trying to flip that. You can either go, if it made its top between Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it can go much lower. And if it made its bottom between Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it can go much higher. And there's also another way that you can flip that, but I'm not too clear on it now. But that's just something I would say to look out for. And also those ICT kill zones I'm seeing where, let's even just map out some here, some 10 o'clocks. You can see where like the bulk of the move seems to come at those between 10 to 11 ranges. So you can see this is 9, 10. What's this now? 9, 10. And if you had entered a sell here, you'd have had a sell at 11, 12, 1, 2. So you have a nice clean move down here. This is probably 10 again. You can see, what's this? 9, 10. So 9, 10 you had bullish, and then you kind of started to sell off. What's this now? 9, 10. So you can see 10 is actually, you're seeing some movement here. 2 o'clock, the sentiment can change and you start to break down. Similar to over here, you might see 2 o'clock, you get a move, but then see you get a reversal. So you still get something at that 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock here again, you can see sell off, reversal. So you can typically see some moves 9, 10, or even 11, and then you see a reversal or a continuation at 2 from what I'm seeing. So you can see 9, 10, you have a sell off here, 11, 12, you sell off, boom, bam, come back to 2, and you have a sell off again, sell off. So you're seeing a lot of that. Let's look here again, 9, 10, bullish, sell off. This could have been the move. If you don't catch this, you're probably looking for this move. And if you don't get stopped over here, you can still sit in this trade. If you're still directionally right and you're still sitting in this trade, you can look for a nice trade here. Stop loss there, 5 to 1. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I'm seeing on this chart. Is it 10 here? Look at this now. So you manage your risk, took some off the table, let the rest of it run. But I'm gonna actually look into that. Me still having the same risk despite it being less lots. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.